my friend, this is how to play a song called Notion by a band called The Rare Occasions. This one, we're going to be using a lot of chords outside the pocket, but the closest chord we have to this is the key of A major. A major, B minor, C sharp minor, D major, E major, F sharp minor, and then G sharp diminished, and then it goes right back to your A. For the G sharp diminished, you could also play an E7 as an E dominant. That also works quite well. The beginning of this song starts off with just a vamp. It's got our A major. Now an F augmented would be able to do this. You can either play 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, that works, or G golly whiz up top for a little 7th notion in there. We could also play what looks like a major minor chord. So if you were to play, let's say, the A minor, right here, E major, A minor, and then move it up one more time and put a pinky down, that would give you your F aug. Well, it's a type of aug. It's a major minor chord. Actually, chords can be named a lot of stuff. So for this song, we're going to have the intro doing it very slow. Has almost like a very old-timey piano, scratchy record, vaudeville-y kind of sound, and then it starts into the whole song. A, F augmented. Remember this because you're going to do it again. D major 7, and then a D minor 7. Heck, you can even do it as a D minor 6 if you wanted to. We're going to be then starting the verse, which has a B minor to an F sharp minor, back and forth over and over again, and the last line has an A to an F aug. So it has this Chuck Henry notion, perpetual motion, but I don't need the comfort of my desire. I've been singing and there's no sounding right. B minor again. When I was younger, I was told by other youngsters that they'll be torturing me. I don't know, cause I don't see what they can see. Here's where it gets kind of fun. We're going to take a B minor 6. So if you have a B minor 6, a B minor 6 is this. It's going to have our B. It's going to have in there. And keep that notion. It's like a G. It's like a G major played with the B in the bass, and then you put in the G sharp. Very cool. Or you could call it as being an E dominant 7. There are multiple ways to call these chords. The one that I would choose, I would actually move my functionality of the first quadrant and move it to the second, and play B, play our minor, which is going to be our D, and then our 6th note, of course, is going to be our G sharp there. When we play these 3 notes in order from 5th fret on the A string, 6th fret on the D string, 7th fret on the E, we can play the bottom 3 chords, and then move a pinky, and then move the whole thing to a power chord, the 5 chord, B minor, and then that B minor can resonate with an add 9 by putting in the B, the C sharp. So you're going to have this feeling of, and that's exactly what I hear on the up. Dun, 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 and then it ends on a big old F aug. And then it goes into a groove over the top of the A major. Now this little interlude is very cute. The melodic theme over the top of it is 14, 14, 16, 14, and that theme goes throughout the whole progression of a da 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 D major 7 to an F major 7, da 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 da, A major 7, da da da, F sharp minor 7, la da da da, B minor 7, manu ni ni, C sharp minor 7, da da da, back to the D major 7, and then the F major 7. And then it goes back into the next verse. B minor, love and forever. There is a bridge, and the bridge is the intro. So it does A to a A minor major to a what would this B6, B minor 6, or a D major 7. Yeah, fun. So when we do this, we've got you call it F augmented. That'll work, or an A major minor. The last time it hits a D minor and then it goes back into the groove of the chorus of A. What's really kind of cool with this one is at the end of the song, they choose to do the outro chorus. A, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1. Back and forth while the secondary guitar part's doing. It's doing the intro over the top of that. There's two different types of chords being played in the same rhythms, or counter rhythms, polyrhythms, polychords, which layer over the top of each other and make the song extremely fun. If you have a request like this, or a request out of any of the songs you could ever possibly choose, these requests that I'm doing right now are from a group of people that like to come to this channel and watch live on Mondays and Tuesdays, 9 to 10 Hawaiian Standard Time, where if I know the song, I'll try to play it. Otherwise, I will write it down, learn it, and put a how-to video like this one. If you dig it, put a thumbs up, put something cool in the comment section, and we'll see you soon. Aloha.